Today's May's not here. I'm just walking around because I'm just gonna show you the condo that we have, but we're gonna sell it right now because the market value is good, and also eventually we need a bigger space. So but in Canada the house markets are crazy, so we can't able to buy it right now. Then we're gonna go for a rental. Meanwhile, I just want to show you the luxury condo that we have. It's very like, look at the condo, it's like a walking distance. So the back area is the Vaughan Malls. So I'm gonna take you inside the condo. I'm gonna show you the unit and I'm gonna show you around. Hope you guys love it. It's a beautiful condo, but the reason we have 2 kids. All right people, so we came to our condo. I parked the car outside because I don't want to bring inside. The reason, I just want to come quickly out. Parking inside is gonna be a hectic, so I'm gonna show you the whole view of the condo, then we'll go from there. Look like a hotel, you know, it's a fine dining, it's first class hotel. So beautiful. I'm gonna go inside. This is the entrance for this condo. Once you come inside, the lobby look amazing. It's like you are in, like, you know, in a 5-star hotel. They're nicely done with the Italian marbles and like great setup with the concierge, the security area. And when you go on your right side from this way, you will go to the elevator side. So that's the way that we came, and now here's the elevator. We are living in a 10th floor. So look at this, everything is digital. You don't need to press this one, just have to type in here 10th floor, then it will take us to the 10th floor. And the quality of tiles that they put, it's first class condo, trust me, it's a beautiful one. They are the Italian builders, they did a great job. So as I told you, I don't need to click anything, it will take us to the 10th floor. Okay, we came to the 10th floor. Ours is a corner unit. They have a nice carpet. If you come all the way, this is our unit. Okay everyone, so I came inside the unit, and you may be wondering why this house looks empty. And you know, we vacated this house. We are not living here anymore because we're gonna put it on the market within a week. So that's why we cleared up all the furnitures, but the house looks empty. So what they want to do, they want to do the staging, then they're gonna sell it. So here in Canada, how the selling it works, you have to go through the agent. So we have signed the deal with the agent and they're gonna sell it. So this is the entrance. I came inside, then I'll show you around. So from the entrance, if you see, there's a closet. All right, it's empty, so you can put the cleaning stuff and your coat and shoe rack here. And we had a, you know, study area setups, and here's the full washroom with the standing shower. And it's a nice washroom. I have a 2 full washroom for this property. And here we have a washing machine and dryer. For the normally for the condo, this washing machine and dryer is a bigger space. Look at this, it's like amazing. And on your right side, there's a nice kitchen with the countertops. Like we put the Italian cabinet countertops. It's a granite. And on the way straight that we have, this is the living room. We use this room as a living room. Let me turn on the light. So this room we use as a living room, but technically this we have 2 rooms. one over here, one over there. Anyway, let me explain first. Okay, this is the living room, and from there you can put the couch in here, and also dining table. Like we can put a small dining table, and we used to put a dining table here. All right, so when you go out, this is the sunroom. Normally condo has a balcony, but we don't want a balcony. We designed this as a sunroom, so we use this as our kids play area. If you go from there, it's a small den area. That is the entrance, I already told you. Then on your right side, this is a master bedroom. This area, we love it. So master bedroom has big window. We will get enough sunlight all the time. We have another washroom. Let me turn on the light. So we have another washroom. This is a full washroom as well. That's a standing shower with a complete glass. Look at the tiles that they have. It's Italian tiles. The quality is amazing. The finishing work is amazing. So this condo has a high demand because from here you can able to see those towers. It's about 5 minutes drive. So from there you can reach to the TTC station. Pretty much that's everything for our condo. Hope you guys love it. It's a spacious 2-bedroom plus 1 den plus 1 sunroom. Right, I showed enough in this inside the unit. I'll try to show you the gym room and other amenities as well. I came inside the gym room. It's very spacious. There are plenty of exercise machine that you can use it, and even like a lot of people, they can stay in there because this area is really bigger space. Even COVID time, they nicely done for the socially distancing part. So it's amazing. We love the gym, but unfortunately we never use that part. There's a visitors parking on the other side, so I'll show you. This is the exit, and if you come all the way, this is a visitor parking area. Hope you guys love it. Now I'm gonna go out. It's a nice unit. Hope whoever come to this unit, I already spoke to them, they loved it because the way they design the builders, it's amazing. Nothing the cheap stuff they put it. So here's a mail room that we have. All the mail that we can receive from this area. Then we're gonna exit again the way we came, and we are out now. So this is a tower A, and the other one is a tower B, and the tower B is the same setup as the tower A, but it's pretty much same thing. So hope you guys love the video. And what I noticed when we were here, we had so much memories, right? So after we vacant this after we move on from this place, and when we come to the new house, it's just sitting as some memories, because I feel like this property, it's gonna be owned by someone. So my small advice, I won't say it's advice, what I feel, nothing is belongs to us. Whatever we own today, that's gonna be tomorrow, someone's gonna own it. So live your life, enjoy your life, and please subscribe our channel, like the videos, and hope you guys love the video. I would say that's all, because if you chase for the property too much, what I would say, end of the day, you're gonna have less memories. Memories is the key. Memories is the precious things. So try to live a day by day. If you have the time, enjoy with your family and cherish the moment. Thanks again. with a pain heart, I got to say bye to my condo. Bye. Bye guys. Thank you.